And how's it going, guys? It's Take Care, and today I'm going to show you guys how to temporarily fix a cranking no start on a Renault Clio 1.4. Now this is going to work for Renault Clios. This one has a Siemens 32 ECU, so if you have a different ECU, it has a 3-pin ECU. I'll show you guys once I'm on that side. If you have a different ECU, you're going to have to look at a diagram to do what I'm about to show you. So to confirm that the car cranks but doesn't start, we'll switch it on. There you go, the good dash lights, and then let's start the car. Make sure we're neutral, clutch in, it's neutral, and then let's start the car. As you can see, nothing. Then now, let me show you what you need to do. Go outside. So all you need to do is to ground. Of course, you're going to need to do tests to see if it works for your car. And as you can see, I've got the 3-pin ECU, which is a Siemens 32, is a Siemens 32B. I'll put a picture of it here later. And then all you need to do is to ground the green wire. You'll hear that click and it turns on. It turns on, hopefully it doesn't fall. Okay, there you go. And then the car is dirty. I haven't cleaned it. I'll clean it later. And then come back, and then now you can start the car and it will start. Make sure the immobilize light is gone, because a lot of people have immobilize issues. And then okay, there you go. You want it to start, and there you go. Gets you out of a pickle. You can go, yeah, you can head home quickly. It's a temporary fix, it's not a permanent fix. It's just to get you home or to your nearest repair shop or Renault dealer for them to diagnose where's the problem. With mine, there's a shortage of a wire somewhere. I need to open the wiring harness to fix the problem, and then the problem will be fixed. But yeah, just to show, I did this because this is probably a not so common repair, or there's no videos on YouTube or anywhere showing this fix. So if you guys are having a similar problem, this is a temporary fix, but you're gonna need someone who knows or has a diagram that can actually pinpoint the problem and fix it before you can actually drive your car, because some of the stuff may not work because we're not sure where is it grounding where is that wire grounding to or connecting to. So just to get you home or to get you to a nearest mechanic that can fix it, or that can fix the problem, and then you can you can get it fixed properly, and then everything will be fine. And I'll also do a video on the instrument cluster, why my instrument cluster doesn't show a check engine light. That's another problem because the car wasn't starting. And even if you can see, I can rev it. You see, I can rev it to about 150,000 RPMs. I'm good. The only problem is that some of the coolant temperature sensor is not working. I'll have to fix that as well. But basically, that's simply how you get it started temporarily until you can get to the nearest shop where they can actually diagnose and fix the problem quickly. This has just been a quick video of me showing you guys how to do this, because I knew that there was no videos online on this specific problem. I tried to make this video like 6-10 minutes long, but unfortunately I can't do that unless if you want me to show you guys what I've done to the car. Let me also remove it, and it will unclick the relay. So finding the problem is not that easy, but if you take the time to look for the problem, I had a new sensor connector put in. I also fixed the EGR valve, which is down there. I don't know if you can see it, if you can follow this cable. Let me just get it in shot. Down there. Oh, there it is, over there by the corner. There is the EGR valve. Make sure that has power, and then after that, yeah, it should start up like it never had any problems. But you still need to get it fixed. Yeah, been a quick video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press that bell so you can stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. Tell me if you guys want to see a video of me opening up this wiring harness and finding where the problem is. I'll see you guys in the next one.